Hello student, today I am going to explain the data storage media. Okay, so let's start. What is data storage media? A computer has very large amount of internal memory. It can store vast amounts of information and recall the informations instantly and correctly whenever desired. The memory of a computer can be classified into primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory. The primary memory or the main memory is an important part of computer system. The CPU directly stores and retrieves data from it. The memory is accessed by the CPU in random manner. Hence it is also called random access memory, RAM. RAM is also called the read-write memory because any locations of this memory can be accessed by the CPU to either read information from it or to store information in it. When we switch off the computer, the data stored in our RAM is lost. Hence it is also called the volatile memory. The size of a RAM usually ranges from 512 MB to few GB. ROM, read-only memory, is considered as a permanent memory. Since generally ROM is a memory unit that can be read-only but not modified. It is usually stored the software for starting or booting the computer and for operating the hardware. The data stored in a ROM remains intact even the computer is switched off. Therefore, it is also known as non-volatile memory. System software. System software controls the operation of a computer. An example of system software is operating system. The operating system controls the hardware in the computer, manages memory and files, and handles multitasking functions. It acts as the interface between the application software and a computer. When the computer is turned on, the operating system gets loaded from the hard disk to the RAM. System software also includes for starting and the booting of a computer. This software is stored in a ROM. Application software. They are the software designed for a specific task. They include application like word processor, example MS Word, painting software, MS Paint, media players, example Windows Media Player, and so on. All current running programs or applications are loaded on a RAM. Secondary memory. Computer's primary memory is largely temporary in nature. A secondary memory is needed for bulk storage of programs and data. Common secondary storage devices includes floppy disks, hard disk, CD and DVD and flash drive. Now floppy disks. A floppy disk is a type of secondary storage media. It consists of a circular piece of thin and flexible plastic materials with magnetic coating, which is permanently included inside the steel jacket. Floppy disks were very common at one time and were available in three different sizes: 8, 5.25 and 3.5 inches. With technological advancement in storage media, floppy disks have become almost obsolete. Hard disk. A hard disk is a non-volatile secondary storage device. It is made up of a collection of disks known as platters. These platters are coated with the materials that allows data to be recorded magnetically on it. Hard disks have a comparatively larger memory space, which generally ranges from 40 GB to a few terabytes.